There's a global mental health crisis exacerbated by the pandemic that just can't be ignored. The impact of mental health disorders is profound. It touches nearly every family and community. Nearly 1 billion people globally are suffering, with 280 million affected by depression alone. What's even more alarming is that up to 30% of these individuals do not respond to traditional therapeutics. There's a new way people can begin to get help.
Pioneering, transformative, strategic. The global mental health crisis is reaching a breaking point, and traditional treatments are falling short. But a new wave of innovation is reshaping the landscape, with Cybin leading the charge. Cybin is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company leading the psychedelic revolution, developing therapies that have the potential to transform mental health care. Cybin, with the ticker code CYBN in NYSE. With strong political backing, solid financial stability, and cutting-edge proprietary science, Cybin is well-positioned to redefine mental well-being. Its innovative approach and focus on advancing psychedelic treatments make it a leader in the field. Through strategic partnerships and research, Cybin is paving the way for effective solutions to mental health challenges. Psychedelics are no longer on the fringes. Key figures like Robert F. Kennedy Jr. are bringing them to the forefront of medical research. RFK Jr. has been vocal about the urgent need to rethink psychedelics' role in treating mental health conditions. His advocacy could be a game changer, especially if he assumes leadership at the Department of Health and Human Services. His support aligns with the growing recognition that psychedelics like psilocybin can effectively treat depression, anxiety, PTSD, and substance use, conditions often resistant to traditional medications. These breakthroughs show the potential of psychedelics to offer new solutions for mental health care. If RFK Jr.'s vision gains traction, it could open up regulatory pathways that fast-track Cybin's innovative therapies to millions of patients. This political momentum represents a golden opportunity for Cybin. With supportive regulations on the horizon, Cybin can expedite clinical trials and bring its transformative treatments to market more quickly. This positions the company as a leader in the rapidly growing psychedelic industry. Cybin, with the ticker code CYBN on the NYSE, isn't just advancing science, it's backed by serious financial muscle. The company has secured $300 million in funding, plus it holds $150 million in cash reserves, giving it the stability to fuel its clinical programs without the need for immediate fundraising. Despite its strong foundation, Cybin's current market capitalization stands at just $240 million, an undervaluation given its financial stability and the transformative potential of its therapies. This presents a rare investment opportunity. As Cybin's treatments gain traction and awareness grows, the market is likely to correct this undervaluation, potentially delivering substantial returns to early investors. For investors, Cybin's financial strength means reduced risk and significant growth potential. The company's disciplined approach ensures it can navigate the complexities of clinical development while focusing on long-term value creation. It's a biotech gem poised to stand out in a competitive sector.
I'm here now with the CEO of Cybin, Doug Drysdale. Doug, thank you for being here.
It's great to be here, thanks.
The perceptions of psychedelics has really changed over time. I have several psychiatrists who are just convinced this is going to be the next great breakthrough.
I think that's right. I agree with them. I think it's the biggest breakthrough in psychiatry in 40 years.
And we hear Dr. Johnson in the tape say that we've been stuck with a certain class all this time. There's a completely novel way of approaching psychiatric illness.
It's a paradigm shift. Moving away from treating daily signs and symptoms of depression, moving more towards attacking the underlying cause and then changing the course of disease, which they'd never been able to do.
At the heart of Cybin's mission is groundbreaking science. Its flagship program, CYB003, is a deuterated psilocin compound that's set to redefine the treatment of major depressive disorder and alcohol use disorder. The early clinical results speak volumes. 100% of participants responded to treatment, a success rate unheard of in psychiatric care. 71% of participants achieved remission after just 2 doses, showcasing the compound's rapid and lasting impact. These results were sustained for 12 months, with participants seeing a negative 23-point reduction in depression scores on the Montgomery-Åsberg Depression Rating Scale. CYB003 is more than promising, it's revolutionary. Unlike traditional antidepressants, which can take weeks to show effects and come with severe side effects, CYB003 delivers rapid relief with minimal intervention. This breakthrough offers hope to millions of patients who've long been underserved by existing treatments. But Cybin isn't stopping there. Its pipeline includes CYB004, a treatment for generalized anxiety disorder, currently in phase 2 trials. Additionally, Cybin is developing a range of proprietary compounds aimed at serotonin receptors, which expands its reach into various mental health conditions. What sets Cybin apart is its commitment to safety and precision. Using advanced AI-powered monitoring systems, the company ensures patient outcomes are optimized while adhering to rigorous safety protocols. This holistic approach builds credibility and makes Cybin's therapies more attractive to healthcare providers, regulators, and patients alike. By diversifying its pipeline, Cybin positions itself as a leader in mental health, with potential to capture market share across multiple conditions. Mental health disorders are a global crisis, impacting over 970 million people worldwide. While traditional treatments offer relief for some, they often fall short for many patients. Cybin's innovative therapies go beyond managing symptoms. They target the root causes of mental health conditions. The potential impact isn't just individual. Cybin's treatments could alleviate the strain on healthcare systems, boost workplace productivity, and improve overall quality of life. This broad societal benefit adds significant value to Cybin's mission, making it a company with not only financial potential but also meaningful social impact. I find the valuation proposition for Cybin Incorporated tremendously exciting. Cybin, with the ticker code CYBN on the NYSE, has a market cap of $215 million, less than the total amount the company has raised from prominent institutional investors. But that's not all. This is just the beginning. Of the $250 million raised, Cybin still retains over $150 million in cash reserves. When analyzing the figures, the enterprise value appears to be roughly $70 million, especially as the company's groundbreaking drug successfully navigates regulatory challenges. Despite achieving several important milestones, the market values the enterprise at a mere $70 million. Beyond financial returns, investing in Cybin means contributing to a future where mental health care is more effective, accessible, and compassionate. Understanding how things are evolving can be challenging, but the upcoming changes in America's healthcare system under the Trump administration are significant. It's exciting to see influential figures like Elon Musk getting involved, too. The time to act is now. Cybin isn't just a biotech company, it's a catalyst for change. Will you join the revolution? For the latest price target forecasts for other stocks, operational updates, and investing tips, click the link below to subscribe to our newsletter today. Remember to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and see you in the newsletter. Thank you for tuning in.